Okay, so in this video we're going to talk about accessories for the HOLDX. The first accessory I want to start with is actually the actuator plate of the HOLDX. It's actually not an accessory because it's mandatory to use the HOLDX, but I would like to mention it because it's not included in the HOLDX itself, so please keep in mind that you will need to order it separately. There are different actuator plates available, of course for the small and for the large version, and both are available as an A1 or an A2 version. A1 version is basically an actuator plate with 50 Newton permanent magnet included, so that will always keep the door a little bit locked and aligned, and the A2 version does not include a permanent magnet. 95% of our customers use the A1 version with 50 Newton permanent magnet, so I would also recommend to use it as a standard. Another accessory that you might find very useful is our mounting plate or our mounting plates. We offer different mounting plates for sliding or hinge doors for both units, the small version and the big version, and you can find all of them on our website, of course. Other accessories that you will need, especially for the serial connection of our networkable HOLDX RS or RL2, are of course the cables that you can also find a very nice overview for in our manual on one of the last pages. You can see that there's a Type A cable, which is basically a M12 8-pole cable to open end, which you would use for the connection with the safety and or standard PLC. Then there are the Type B cables, which are special CAN cables for communication between the units, so from master to slave and from slave to slave. The Type C cable is basically a Y connector that you can also see more of in the manual. It's basically always used whenever you need external power supply. So if you have a serial connection with more than 5 or 6 units, also depending on the cable length in between, you usually need to add external power supply through that Y connector. And to connect that Type C connector, you can use a Type D cable, which is basically just a M12 5-pole cable to open end. Another accessory that you might find very useful is the XCON A1 termination plug. This one is used at the end of the serial connection to close the safety circuit.